Hello. Let's go everyone. We're going on a bike ride. Da-da-da. Brown cow. This way. Down the streets. Looking around the neighborhood. Looking around the neighborhood. Like it. Let's see if hello, folks. You're on a video. Easy. Sure a lot. And guys, I'm terrible at knowing when the video ends, so I'm just gonna say it right now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Car. Okay, we're good. Like and subscribe, please, for videos on every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Because those are the only days I don't do anything except on Friday at school. Got it? Almost every week. Back. To remind you, it's almost Easter. What? Okay, we're heading back. Probably gonna keep the video going.